Welcome to my math in action lesson. My name is Tahseen and this is my channel Tahseen's Lyceum. How do you divide fraction by fractions and fractions with whole numbers? You may already know when we are dividing by a number, we can get the same answer by multiplying by the reciprocal of that number. Look at the example. Half divided by 1 by 4 equal to what? We keep the first fraction as is, 1 by 2. Now we will change division sign into multiplication sign. Now we will flip the second fraction, 4 by 1. Swap numerator and denominator. Let's simplify. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now let's see how our methods work by using models. Model 1. Half, half. Model 1. Model 2. One by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Model 3. Our question is, how many groups of 1 by 4 are in 1 by 2? Now we will color this half part. We colored this half part. What does it mean? It means 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Does it make any sense? Yes, it means 1 by 4 are twice in 1 by 2. Thanks for watching.